Hi, everyone. So I haven't recorded in a couple weeks because my team and I have been softly launching in phases our new Blue Notice site, which is very exciting. And there are many phases to come. And what I want to discuss is an agile approach versus a waterfall. So anybody who's considering a web design project or a new website for their team and or organization, I want you to start with understanding the difference between the two. Both conceived from software development, they are not project management based, but they will give you a good grasp and understanding of how that project's going to be managed. This creates clear expectation for you as a client that alleviates stress, unneeded stress, I should say. And let's start with what is a waterfall. So a waterfall visually is exactly how you've seen it, and it is research and discovery, wireframe, design, development, and QA, quality assurance. Agile visually is looping. It's a constant testing and reiteration approach. So biggest difference for me is QA is at the end of waterfall, which creates a lot of stress. It's a laundry list of things to go through the site. And if you have a site of 50 pages or a site map of 50 pages, I've been there. I've been up till 3 a.m. putting that pressure on a person to have the attention span and attention of detail to go through the amount of bugs and fixes that you are aware of, only to find more is not realistic for the pressures of one clear launch date. So when you're testing and launching in phases for more testing, this is more conducive to what a website is. So the methodology of Agile is conceived, as I said, in software development, because software is it's never done, right? We're always trying to enhance it and trying to make it better. Your website should have the same understanding and approach. Your website, at the end of the day, is a lead generation tool. If you're thinking about paying a lot of money and going through what is a complex and arduous process just to set it and forget it, you're wasting your money. You should understand that your website, once launched, is just a phase. It's a phase to many phases. You will continue to build out your sitemap. You will have a strategy for your blog, your content, your SEO. You should, if you have the budget and you're a big enough team and you have the traffic, to heat map, to enhance your user experience, to A/B test the design of your landing pages, the forms. There's a whole strategy to forms, to progress fields and the information you're bringing in from your client to integrate and map those fields to your CRM, to feed and enable your sales with proper context. It all starts here. Your website's very important. So I just wanted to give some food for thought in this process. Start here. We have a page on our site that will obviously build out more and more because we are in this approach. Yes, even though it's phase 3, which right now I believe is design cohesion. A lot of folks will say, well, how did you not start with design? Well, it's very reflective of what our roadblocks are internally. And I wasn't liking the designers I was meeting, and I finally found one that I like, and now it's time to tighten that up. And that's just the way it is, right? So we were able to launch a site and not hold up business and services and getting our message out there just because of one roadblock. We were staying agile, if you will, and reprioritizing during sprints so we could keep moving forward. So there you go. We're in phase 3, but it'll be phase 386 as we continue and continue and continue. And hopefully this was helpful. I linked a blog that also gives a little more clarity to the differentiation between the two. And I hope everybody's well, and I'll see you all next week.